traveling light offers a sense of freedom and perks. The convenience of having everything you need in a compact, easily accessible bag is unparalleled. Bypassing baggage claim carousels and heading straight to your destination. Carry-on travel minimizes the risk of lost luggage, saving you from the stress of tracking down your belongings in a foreign airport. With carry-on travel, you have everything you need right at your fingertips. You're in control of your belongings, ensuring that your essentials are always within reach. The cost savings of carry-on travel are another compelling advantage. Avoiding checked baggage fees can save you a significant amount of money. You can avoid these fees by packing light and sticking to a carry-on. Men can optimize their carry-on space by utilizing their pockets strategically. This means thinking ahead about what items you'll need quick access to and placing them in easily reachable pockets. Essential items like wallets, phones, and passports can be kept in secure pockets, freeing up valuable space in the carry-on bag. This not only makes them easily accessible, but also ensures they are safe and protected. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. This approach allows you to pack fewer items while still having a variety of looks for different occasions. Packing neutral-colored shirts, pants, and a light jacket can be combined in various ways, minimizing the need for numerous individual pieces. Neutral colors are easy to mix and match, making your travel wardrobe more flexible. Opt for quick-drying fabrics that are wrinkle-resistant, ensuring that your clothes look fresh and presentable throughout your trip. These fabrics are also lightweight, which helps in keeping your luggage manageable. Utilize the space along the walls of your suitcase by lining it with shoes. This not only saves space, but also helps in keeping your suitcase organized. Place shoes in shoe bags or wrap them in plastic bags to prevent them from soiling your clothes. This simple step can keep your clothes clean and ready to wear. By strategically utilizing every inch of your carry-on, you can pack more efficiently. This means thinking about how to use all available space, including pockets, corners, and the space inside shoes. Compression cubes are a game changer for carry-on packing, especially for women who like to have a variety of clothing options. These ingenious cubes compress clothing, maximizing space and minimizing wrinkles. They also help keep your suitcase organized, allowing you to easily locate specific items without unpacking everything. Packing cubes specifically designed for shoes are another essential for organized carry-on travel. These cubes protect your shoes from scuffs and scratches while keeping them separate from your clothes. Tech organizers are a must-have for keeping jewelry and small accessories organized and tangle-free. Utilize the space inside your purse or tote bag strategically. Choose a purse or tote bag with multiple compartments and pockets to keep your belongings organized and easily accessible. Familiarize yourself with the TSA's 311 rule for liquids. This rule is crucial for a smooth security experience. All liquids, gels, and aerosols must be in containers of 3.4 ounces or less, and they must fit in a single quart-sized clear plastic zip-top bag. This ensures that your items are easily inspected and comply with TSA regulations. Wear shoes that are easy to slip on and off. Slip-on shoes are convenient and save time. You'll be required to remove your shoes at the security checkpoint, so avoid complicated buckles or laces that can slow you down. Opt for footwear that you can quickly take off and put back on. Place your laptop and other large electronics in their own bin for X-ray screening. This helps TSA agents get a clear view of your devices. Be prepared to remove your laptop from its case or sleeve if requested. Having it easily accessible will speed up the process. Remove your belt and any metal jewelry before passing through the metal detector. These items can trigger alarms and cause delays. By being prepared and removing these items in advance, you can avoid unnecessary delays and frustrations. Compression socks are a traveler's best friend, especially on long flights. They improve circulation, reduce swelling, and prevent deep vein thrombosis, or DVT. Pack swimsuits and other wet items in dry bags. These waterproof bags keep your other belongings dry and protected, even if your swimsuit is still damp. Use pill organizers to store small amounts of toiletries, jewelry, and other small items. Pack a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated throughout your journey. Fill it up after passing through security to avoid purchasing expensive bottled water at the airport. A reusable water bottle is an eco-friendly and cost-effective way to stay hydrated while traveling. Packing cubes are essential for maximizing space and maintaining organization in your carry-on. These lightweight zippered containers come in various sizes and can be used to compartmentalize your clothing, shoes, and accessories. By using packing cubes, you can easily locate specific items without unpacking your entire suitcase. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space and minimize wrinkles. Tightly rolled clothes take up less space than folded clothes and are less likely to wrinkle during transit. For delicate items like blouses or sweaters, consider folding them neatly and placing them in a separate packing cube. Use packing cubes to compress bulky items like sweaters and jackets. By using packing cubes strategically, you can pack more efficiently and maximize your carry-on space. Pack travel-sized toiletries to comply with TSA regulations and save space. Transfer your favorite toiletries into 3.4-ounce, 100 milliliter containers, or purchase travel-sized versions of your essential products. Consider using solid toiletries like shampoo bars, conditioner bars, and deodorant sticks. These eco-friendly options take up less space than liquid toiletries and eliminate the risk of spills or leaks. Pack any necessary medications in their original containers with clearly marked prescriptions. This ensures that you have access to your medications throughout your journey and avoids any potential issues with security personnel. Carry a small first aid kit with essential items like bandages, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Keep your first aid kit in a readily accessible location within your carry-on. Invest in a high-quality carry-on suitcase that meets airline size and weight restrictions. Check with your airline for specific dimensions and weight limits before purchasing a carry-on bag. A lightweight, durable suitcase with smooth rolling wheels and ample storage space is essential for comfortable and efficient carry-on travel. Consider a carry-on suitcase with a built-in USB charging port. This convenient feature allows you to charge your electronic devices on the go, ensuring that you stay connected throughout your journey. Look for a suitcase with a TSA-approved lock for added security. Choose a carry-on bag with multiple compartments and pockets for optimal organization. Consider a backpack or duffel bag as an alternative to a traditional rolling suitcase. Clothing. Pack versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Choose neutral colors and wrinkle-resistant fabrics. Include a light jacket or sweater for layering. Shoes. Pack comfortable, versatile shoes that are appropriate for your planned activities. Limit yourself to 2 or 3 pairs of shoes. Toiletries. Pack travel-sized toiletries in a clear quart-sized bag. Electronics. Pack essential electronics like your phone, laptop, and charger. Documents. Pack essential documents like your passport, visa, and boarding pass. Thank you for watching our ultimate carry-on packing tips for men and women. If you found these tips helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please help me reach my goal of 10,000 subscribers by subscribing today. Happy travels!